ebyo nabigambirizo bari anyumwe bazyo bwabera ryo mbusaba dikono bwansiko mu district ya Buhweju umurtera notebekanisi bwitendekero rya Ankole Western University Kabohe ko muringo gumwe go garuza babuhweje ahubwo kugira ngo abeje bari abinji n'abarugomura Buhweju.
There are churches like that. They can sing, they can dance, they can give, they can baptize, they can wail in the church, but they don't have power.
Western University, this university is here for the poorest of our people. School fees Bishop Stewart. Bishop Stewart school fees the university affiliated to BSU
abarukristayo barukuhingurigana kinana na bashatu nubo bajunorwe nabwanyuma Bishop Oromba hicara hishomero ry'abike ry'amasheruka Girls SSR rukushango mu masheruka Town Council District ya Shema aho bamwakire ne kishika chamani
Masheruka Girls to Ankole Western University. You are actually making a continuation of that path. I mentioned last evening that what this country lacks are not qualified people with a lot of degrees and diplomas. What we lack, what we hear in public of corruption and all sorts of things, is the lack of people with integrity.
Twamusyaho amakuru go kumweta kubanitwe ahizoba 25 byo kwa munana ubutara bitwinoho mega fundraising byo kugira ngo tubase gukora kombeka science lab ekuza kutuma twa promoting sciences omwanyugo mu Western region.
Abejevero umwe kurga hishomero rya masheruka n'abasigire bajunwa ati Bishop Oromba henderirizo bo makagumnyishenjero wa Shema Dickson Kateshumba kandi ukavuganire y'abanyishenjero ba Shema bona abebembeza b'amadini hamwe n'abebyo butegetsi.
People are very intelligent, people are very physically fit, but spiritually midget. No integrity whatsoever. They still with such a courage that comes from the devil himself, and they don't care that it will kill them.
Abantu abaku bagansama abantu mu madini baba batari eje nkorane yenyuma abo kuba ruhanga twe nakatanga yomo mudiniye kandi waburi umwebembezi oshemeye kwebembera byomwe.
Parents have spoiled their children by being extravagant and allowing kids to have money for which they do not know the pressure and the stress their parents go through.
Archbishop asigire yahamye kwatanisa kwa madini gona district ya Shema amakuraga gasha kwa Michael atwakire.